Your phone knows almost everything about you. The apps you install, the websites you visit, your location, your accounts, and even your daily habits all become part of a single operating system. While privacy apps and permission managers can help reduce data collection, they still operate inside the same environment they're trying to protect. If that environment is compromised, your sensitive information could still be at risk. That's where PlugMate takes a completely different approach. Instead of trying to make your existing phone or computer more private, PlugMate creates a physically separate computing environment. Although it looks like a compact USB device, it's actually an independent Android computer running its own hardware. Your Windows PC simply provides the display, keyboard, and mouse, while all the processing takes place inside PlugMate itself. This means your sensitive workspace remains isolated from the host computer instead of sharing the same operating system. This kind of setup can be useful for people who manage multiple online identities, frequently travel, work with confidential information, or simply want to separate personal and sensitive activities from their everyday system. Rather than carrying multiple phones or creating several user profiles, the same PlugMate environment can move between supported devices while keeping your workspace together. Getting started is straightforward. Simply download the official PlugOS client for Windows from the PlugOS download page. Install the software, connect PlugMate to your computer, enter the product key during the initial setup, and after the first configuration, your isolated environment is ready to use whenever you connect the device again. Once the setup is complete, the PlugOS client detects the connected device and opens your dedicated workspace. From here, you can browse your files, install applications, manage storage, and use the environment just like a normal Android system, except everything stays inside PlugMate instead of becoming part of your Windows installation. Because the environment travels with the hardware, your apps, settings, and accounts move with the device instead of remaining tied to one computer. One of the biggest advantages is physical isolation. Unlike traditional privacy software that shares the same operating system as the rest of your applications, PlugMate separates the protected environment at the hardware level. According to the product documentation, there is no shared memory or shared file system between the host and PlugMate, creating a dedicated space for sensitive activities. Another feature built into the platform is the integrated firewall. It allows network activity to be monitored while giving users the ability to control application connections. The documentation also describes screenshot and screen recording protection, where attempts to capture the protected environment result in a black screen, instead of exposing sensitive information. For users who want additional privacy, PlugMate also supports configurable location simulation together with virtual network identity settings, allowing compatible applications to see only the information you choose to present. The documentation further explains that Google Play services remain optional, giving users more flexibility depending on their preferred setup. Security is also designed for situations beyond everyday use. PlugMate includes full disk encryption, dedicated hardware for protecting encryption keys, isolated authentication, and emergency protection features such as automatic wiping after repeated failed password attempts, along with a separate duress password that can silently erase sensitive information when necessary. Another practical advantage is multi-platform compatibility. While today's demonstration is on Windows, the same PlugMate environment is designed to work across supported Windows, Android, iPhone, iPad, and Apple Silicon Mac devices, allowing you to carry one isolated workspace between different systems instead of creating separate environments for each device. Overall, PlugMate offers a different way of thinking about digital privacy. Rather than relying entirely on software running inside your existing operating system, it creates a separate hardware-based environment designed to keep sensitive work isolated from your everyday device. If you'd like to learn more or check out PlugMate for yourself, you'll find my referral link along with the CyberSleuth discount code at the top of the video description. You can also download the official PlugOS client from the official PlugOS download page to get started on supported devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.